interesting. This is at the Biscayne building. Rough start. Whoa! Riding rough today. I don't know if it's visible on camera, but there is a bug flying around. A little gnat. Ooh! I just heard an awesome bell. Let's hear that. Wait, what the hell? Are they modding? Just doing maintenance, it looks like. Regency call buttons. Ooh. It actually lights up. There's up-down lanterns, but it doesn't look like it goes any taller. Or it doesn't look like it goes any higher. Get a bit of a view out there. 5 elevator, well, 4 working elevators, presumably. And it's taking quite a bit for one to come. Oh, I hear one coming. That's awesome. Interesting cabs. Can't complain about the Series 1, that's always nice. And I see riding rough as a trend with these elevators. Here's your panel. Newer Series 1. It's got the buttons that pop out, or the California code version. Not the flush. This is just... Sorry, I'm just getting pictures.
Oh, of course.